Screen recording on your iPhone 11, 11 Pro, Pro Max is really easy. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to record your screen with system audio, your voice, or both. So for that, first you have to open up your control center and look for the screen recording button. So if you don't see it here, just press and hold anywhere in the control center, then tap add a control. So now from here, you can scroll through the list, but you will find the screen recording option at the top. So now to tap it to add it. So now from the control center, just tap anywhere on the screen to exit the editor. So then you have to tap on the screen recording button to start the recording. And after the 3 seconds countdown, your iPhone will begin recording everything on your screen. So now to tap and hold on the screen recording button, you can also choose where you want to save your recording. So on my iPhone, Photos is the available option. And if you like to record your voice as well, so you can turn this microphone button on. So when it shows red, that means your microphone is on. So after start recording, you can record everything that you want. So when you're finished, tap the red button indicator at the top left corner of the screen and select stop. And that's it. So your screen recording will be saved automatically in the Photos app. So now just open up your Photos app and you will find all your screen recording right just from here. So I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for your time.